Hello and welcome from the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium for the first T20I, Pakistan versus New Zealand. Bank Alphala presents Jazz T20I series. At the toss, Michael Bracewell called correctly and wanted to have a bat. Seifert and Robinson. Robinson quite exciting up the order. Apparently hits a very strong ball and is quite a powerful player. Duffy Sears Lister with the bowling. Ish Sodhi will probably be the leader of the attack because of his experience. A new look, new captain for New Zealand, but they always seem to unearth players that trouble the opposition. Pakistan also change in captaincy. Babar Azam back at the helm. Saim Ayub will open with him. Rizwan Usman Khan with his debut. We've also got Ebrar Ahmed, the mystery spinner. He's also one of the debutants, and Irfan Khan Niaz, the exciting middle order player and a fantastic fielder. We were supposed to start a while ago, but lots of rain. Plenty of work for the ground staff who've been brilliant. Shah Afridi was at his mark and the rain came back. And it fell hard and fell long, but yeah, these guys, they're real superstars. The crowd also stuck around, and even though it was looking bleak, suddenly, as the rain stopped, they were able to make sure that we have some cricket. And the Super Sopper, the curators, everybody did their bit. And I tell you what, it looks pristine yet again, and we're ready to start. But revised playing conditions. It's the 5-over-a-side game. Power play will be 2 overs. 2 bowlers can bowl a maximum of 2 overs. Let's play, finally. Shah Afridi is going to steam in. Back again and bowled it this time. Shah Afridi strikes the stumps as he does in the very first over.
We'll make that 14. 14 wickets in the first over of a T20 international. That's why Shah Afridi is so good at what he does, because he does it at pace. The seam position is perfect. The execution is even better. And the whole crowd loved the celebration. Tim Robinson on debut, unfortunately, goes without scoring. It's 2 for 1.
We're getting some sort of game, a 5-over game, but yeah, this should be rained off. So the first game, there's no result. We'll be back here in a couple of days' time for the second T20I. Next game will be on the 20th of April. We'll be back here again. Hopefully, we'll get a full 20-over game. But till then, it's a goodbye from all of us from here.